Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a nice place to store all of your jewelry? This box by Hatori has really helped organize all of my jewelry. It has plenty of space in it for all of my earrings. I have lots of studs and hoops, and it has enough space for all of them. It also has a really nice space to store all of my rings and extra pendants. It also has a place for 8 necklaces. There's little bendable pieces that you just hang your necklace over, and then the extra goes down in this little pouch. So all 8 of these have been in there. I've opened and closed it many times, and I have not had a problem with any of them getting mixed up and knotted. Underneath, there's also extra space for some of my bracelets and even a few extra necklaces that are not quite as precious to me. All in all, I have been thrilled with this jewelry box. It holds so much stuff for how small it is. It has a nice little lock on it if you need to take it with you and you want to make sure everything's kept safe. It looks really nice just sitting on my dresser, and it's always within easy reach. I think you'll like it just as much as me. And that's my point of view.